Welcome to another episode of Absolute Talks with Jack and Conrad. Today we'll discuss the evolution of full-arch hybrid materials.
Although we have an infinite number of restorative materials to process one of these all-on-X cases, I want to focus more specifically on zirconia as a final material.
The number one concern voiced by many of our clinicians is the question regarding zirconia. Is this material strong enough to use in its monolithic form for full-arch hybrids?
Absolutely. I started restoring zirconia hybrids with Dr. Lyndon Cooper in the graduate prosthodontic department at UNC more than 15 years ago. We've had amazing long-term success even with the first generation zirconia materials of the time.
Seeing that you've had such good success even with first generation materials, what do you contribute potential failure to?
Good question. I think failure could be attributed to both clinical as well as technical processing errors.
So which clinical errors do you believe lead to these long-term issues?
First and foremost, failure to accurately verify the cast is number one cause of zirconia failure. I cannot overstate the importance of working only on verified casts. Secondly, trying to restore a hybrid directly into the fixture instead of a multi-unit abutment greatly increases the odds of failure.
Since starting the advanced restorative team here at Absolute, I've heard you really emphasize and teach the importance of proper zirconia handling more than anything else. I'd like to address that some more.
Zirconia must be treated with the utmost respect during the fabrication process and sintering process. Stress is caused by rapid cooling and post-sinter grinding induce microfractures, which ultimately cause long-term failure. My art team and I are very diligent and understand the value of green stage finishing. My team and I do not contour post-sintered zirconia. I believe if these technical and clinical rules are followed in combination with a high-quality zirconia material exhibiting a minimum of 1,000 megapascals flexural strength, the long-term results are predictable.
Last episode you touched on some new products. Can you elaborate some more on 21st century zirconias?
Sure. We're currently using Argin HT+, which is a 4Y high-strength, high-translucency material. Even as a monochromatic material, my team and I are able to create world-class aesthetics.
We hear a lot about new high-strength multi-layer zirconia. What's your thoughts on this new type of material?
Oh, good question. I'm currently working with the R&D team at Argin on developing a new line of high-strength polychromatic multi-layered zirconia. This product will be indicated for single unit to hybrid applications. It's going to be exhibiting a strength of 1250 megapascals flexural strength with 7 transitional layers, all in 4Y. This promises to be a true game changer.
We hear so much about yttria stabilized zirconia. Can you explain a little bit more what this means?
Sure. The more yttria added to the zirconia, the more translucent the material becomes, but it also reduces flexural strength.
So it seems that finding that right balance between yttria strength translucency is the ultimate challenge in this material.
Some companies have been combining a 5Y with a 3Y and looking at that as the perfect recipe. In my opinion, this creates possibly demarcation. Argin's philosophy is different. We believe it's important to maintain 4Y zirconia throughout the puck. This minimizes any chance of demarcation and maximizes strength while producing exceptional aesthetics.
Thank you for joining us for another episode of Absolute Talks. We're excited to restore your next case with you.
Stay safe.
Stay healthy.